Dear student, today topic is balancing of chemical equation. Minimum 2 question is fixed from this particular topic. So, this is very important for exam point of view in your school exam or in competitive exam also. Okay. So, question is how to balance the equation? Answer. You have to do lot of practice to know this question's answer. Okay. Only practice can make you perfect in this particular topic. This is not a theoretical topic. Totally practice. Okay. What is balancing of chemical equation? So, in this process what we do, we just balance the number of atoms in any chemical equation in left hand side and right hand side. Let us take first example to balance the chemical equation now, that is Mg plus HCl, MgCl2 plus H2. I will write here equation again. This is my question and this is my solution area. Here I am. Okay. So, Mg plus HCl, that is MgCl2 plus H2. You must remember that in order to balancing the chemical equation, you have to follow one pattern and that is AOH. When you go to class 11, I write C also. C stands for charge, H is hydrogen, O is oxygen and A is that atom which is not oxygen or hydrogen, atom which is other than oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, you must follow the order of AOH. You can easily balance the chemical equation. Let us try. Here is Mg, magnesium. So, how many magnesium in the left side? 1. In the right side also 1 magnesium. Magnesium is balanced. Okay. Hydrogen I can't balance now because hydrogen you balance in the last. Okay. Chlorine 1 left side, chlorine 2 right side. So, just write here 2. Correct. 2 chlorine and 2 chlorine balanced. Now, hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, here is 2 hydrogen balanced. In this particular chemical equation, all the atoms, total number of atoms in the left side equal to total number of atoms in the right side. Okay. Let us take the second example to balance the chemical equation now. See, NaOH plus H2SO4, then Na2SO4 plus H2O. Okay. How many sodium? 1. Here 2. Right here 2. Sodium balanced. Very easy. And how many, see oxygen or hydrogen I can't balance. I have to balance at first those atoms which are other than oxygen and hydrogen. So, let us take sulfur, 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur, it is balanced. Then come to the oxygen. Oxygen here 2 and here 4. So, 2, 4, 6 in the left side. Here total oxygen atoms 4 and 5 only. So, let us make it 2. So, 4 oxygen and 2 oxygen, 6 oxygen, right. Okay. Oxygen also balanced. Hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and here 2 hydrogen, total 4 hydrogen and here 2 to the 4 hydrogen, hydrogen is balanced. So, in this way I balanced all the atoms in the left side from right side. Let us take the third example to balance this chemical equation now. Na plus H2O. So, Na plus H2O, NaOH plus H2. Okay. How many sodium? 1 sodium, here 1 sodium, balance. Then come to oxygen, here 1 oxygen and here also 1 oxygen, balanced. Here 2 hydrogen and here 3 hydrogen, this is not balanced. Okay. So, do one thing, you can make it here 2 hydrogen, 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4. In this way we balance the hydrogen also. See, 2 to the 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, hydrogen balanced. But sodium is not balanced now. See, 2 sodium, okay, here also 2 sodium balanced, 2 oxygen, so 2 oxygen balanced. Now you can see all the atoms in the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Okay, let's take another example to balance the chemical equation. See, the Cl2 plus KBr, then KCl plus Br2. Okay, at first you try to balance the, see here all the atoms which are not oxygen or hydrogen. So this is a question, which one I should take first? Always try to start from the metallic elements, electropositive elements. Okay, that is potassium here. One potassium, balanced. Then talk about the bromine. So yeah, bromine here 1 and here 2. Bromine balanced, but potassium is not balanced now. So 2 potassium, 2 potassium. Now potassium 2, bromine 2, balanced. 2 chlorine, here also 2 chlorine, balanced. See, it is very easy. I hope you are understanding. When I explain in this particular area, you try to concentrate more and more. Okay. Now I explained enough. I took 4 examples. Remaining, I will take more 10, 14 more examples. From now, you just try to pause my video when question appears here and you solve from your side. Then you match from your side. Okay. Okay. Let's take the next example to solve the question. This equation. See, CO2 plus C, then CO. Okay. How many carbon here? 1 and 1, 2 carbon. Here is 1 carbon, make it 2. And here 2 oxygen. Here also 2 oxygen, over, balanced, very easy. Dear student, we have solved 5 important examples where you understood how to balance the chemical equation. Now let's see all the 5 answers at a time. See, Mg and 2HCl, so MgCl2 plus H2. I hope you got all these questions and this is the particular solution of that 5 questions. Okay. Let's take next question to balance the chemical equation. So, what you do from your side, you just, when question appears in this side, you just pause the video and try to solve the question from your side so that you can learn. Okay, don't copy paste from here. Let's solve next question now. See, this question is AlCl2, AlCl3. Okay, so aluminium is 1, here also 1 aluminium. Here 2 chlorine, here 3 chlorine. How to balance? So we can write here 3 and we can write here 2. So 3 2s are 6 chlorine and 3 2s are 6 chlorine. How many aluminium in the right side? 2. Here also 2. Balanced. It's very simple, easy. Let's take second example to balance the chemical equation. Now H2 plus N2 NH3. Okay. How many hydrogen? Oh, hydrogen you must balance in the last actually. So N2 2 nitrogen, here 1 nitrogen, 2. Nitrogen balanced. 3 2s are 6 hydrogen in the right side. In left also 6 hydrogen. Let's take the third example to balance the chemical equation now. Okay. So that is H2O2 plus, not plus, it's arrow actually. H2O2 goes to H2O plus O2. Okay, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Here actually hydrogen and oxygen only available, not A. So no problem. 2 oxygen and 3 oxygen. So you can make it 4 in this way. 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen, 2 2 ja 4, balanced. Now 2 2 ja 4 hydrogen, 2 2 ja 4 hydrogen, balanced. I hope you understood. So let's see the next example, dear student. Fe2O3 plus CO, Fe CO2. Now I think you are trained Okay, you know very well how to balance the chemical equation. I am doing directly. Is it balanced? See, 2 iron, okay, and 2 iron balanced. 3 oxygen and 6 oxygen, 3 2s are 6 oxygen, 3 carbon and 3 carbon, okay, so it is balanced. So now it's very easy to balance the chemical equation for you also, because you have practiced around 10 questions. Let's see the next example now. C3H8 plus O2 CO2 plus H2O. Okay, how many carbon? 3 carbon. Here 1 carbon, right? 3. So 3 carbon balanced. Oxygen, how many? 2 here. Here 6 and 1 7. Okay. And hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. Here is 2 hydrogen. Okay. We can do one thing. We can make it 4. So 4 oxygen and here 6 oxygen. How many oxygen? See, 3 2s are 6 and 4, 10 oxygen. So 5 2s are 10. Oxygen is balanced. Hydrogen 4 2s are 8 and 8 balanced. Dear student, this is very easy but very important also. So I hope you will do lot of practice at home. You will practice these questions again and again so that you can score well in the exam. Let's see the answers of all these questions now at a time. So dear student, now we have explained almost 15 questions and gave you the best idea how to solve how to balance chemical equation. Thank you for watching.